Hello, this is BrewDog and Omnipollo collaboration Fruit Bat Raspberry Smoothie IPA. Nice. Anyway, let's crack it open. Oh, those hops. Reddish colour. Go ahead again. I think I'm pouring it quite nicely. Hoppy. Don't know what hops though. Kinda earthy, grassy. Grassy hops. Yeah, grassy hops. I don't know what hops are in this one. Let's give it a taste. Yep. Raspberries are coming through, hops. Ooh, definitely raspberries. Sour raspberries. And then the sweetness. I think it's from the lactose or vanilla. No, you can see it's got raspberry, lactose and vanilla. Yeah, this is definitely not a beer, this is a fruit beer. Good though. I think that's Omnipollo's fault. They love their fruit beers. Yeah, good beer. Cheers.